everybody, I'm Agla and I'm a motorcycle traveler. See, I put the helmet there to, reinforce the message. Anyway, that's not the point. The point is, I've been on the road for 7 years now. Long story short, I learned to ride a motorcycle in Peru when I was backpacking there. I bought my first motorcycle, a 150cc Chinese bike named Blinken, at a washing machine shop in the little town of Nazca, Peru, and then I just kind of took off. I didn't really plan to ride all over South America back then. I just thought, well, I'll ride around Peru a little bit and kind of see what happens. But what happened was I found myself at Lake Titicaca, and that's where kind of the Bolivian border is. So I thought, well, yeah, I'll ride Bolivia too, and then that just kind of kept happening. In Argentina and Chile and all of those places. So I rode around South America for almost 2 years on that little Chinese bike. Then went back to Europe, tried to do the regular thing, get my old job back, get some more savings, continue riding around the world, because that's when the idea was born. I don't really do well with patience or authority of any of those things, so that didn't really work out, and I decided to try and find a way to freelance, to earn an income while on the road and just take off. So that's what I did. And ever since I've been riding around, I bought a Suzuki DR650, which I call Lucy. It's not a girl bike, it's a dude bike. Lucy is short for Lucifer, you see. Anyway, I got that in Arizona, and I rode it from Arizona to Chile. Then I shipped it back to Europe. And that's where the rally racing stuff began. It began kind of last year when I chased a rally Dakar in Peru, and I was so fascinated that I wanted to try it myself. Obviously not the Dakar, not the Africa Eco Race, the smaller, not smaller, I guess more doable, more achievable European rallies such as Hispania, Hellas. I'm currently in Ecuador, where I've just finished leading a couple of motorcycle tours. Yes, I do that as well. I lead motorcycle tours. And I love that, but let's leave that for another video. Anyway, so I'm in Ecuador right now. In a couple of weeks, I'm going to fly back to Europe, pick up Lucy, it's currently parked in Poland, and start the European rally racing season. I've done a bunch of videos about rallies. I will do a bunch more about traveling, being a digital nomad and being homeless for years and living off your bike and stuff like that. The whole point of this channel though is to kind of say, like, if I can do it, then anybody can. So this channel is all about riding around the world. Well, North America, South America, and Europe. It's about rally races as a newcomer, as a newbie. It's about motorcycling, it's about traveling, it's about women riders, it's about motorcycle tours, off-road riding, off-road training, all of that awesome stuff. And again, I'm just gonna go all in, test things, and report back. Let's see what happens. Come with me, at least it'll be fun, right?